my future is gone. And I really feel for the younger moms and things with kids at home. I'm just thankful that I was able to raise my kids. And, cancer is just so prevalent everywhere you look now, and in younger people, and all kinds of cancers. So I can't say I was necessarily that surprised. I was surprised at what type of cancer I ended up with, but just happens everywhere. But I would just say my future as a, grandma. I do have 7 grandchildren, actually, and I was able to see a lot of them be born since my diagnosis.